Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, you are going to learn about Night Owl wireless security cameras. We will understand how they actually work, what features they offer, and whether they are worth using in 2026. Now, a Night Owl security camera is a smart camera that basically connects to your Wi-Fi. Then you link it to the Night Owl Protect application. Once connected, you can watch the live video, you can get the motion alerts, and you can also view the recordings anytime. If I talk about its key features, so the camera is going to give you some of the features like HD video quality. It also has night vision for darkness areas. It also has motion detection alerts, two-way audio to talk through the camera. So these features make the camera very useful for the basic home security. Now you can install it at the front door or entrance, or at the backyard or garage, or inside your home. It works well for both indoor and outdoor monitoring. Now for better performance, you need a strong Wi-Fi connection as well. Most of the issues like offline or lag happen due to the weak signals. So make sure when you are installing the Night Owl camera, you have a stable internet connection. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.